I'm Fong. Today I would like to share the unboxing video of Top 30 Nix Fest Awards of Malaysia 2019. Alright, so first of all, I would like to say thank you to Nix Cosmetic Malaysia for choosing me as the top 30, and also thank you to the sponsors Grab Express, Garnier, WeWork, and Beatrice Lui. Not forgetting to my family, friends, supporters, and followers. You guys being so nice to me. Thank you so much for your love and your support towards my arts. Thank you so much. I will not here without you guys. Thank you so much. So are you ready for the unboxing video? So this is a parcel. Alright, let's go. Okay, this is the parcel, the pink box. So what are those inside? Ta-da! Okay, so let's see what we have here. First, the NYX Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer. So what primer is this? To soften fine lines and pores. So this is more to like smoothing primer. And this is the matte finish setting spray. Okay, this is makeup setting spray. This is mini size. I like it. I like to bring all this mini size to go for travel. And this one, this is Bear With Me. What is that? Hydrating cheek tint. Oh, I love this one. I love tint, whatever tint, lip tint, cheek tint. Love that so much. This is orange. Yes, I have pink, so I have this nude shade. Thank you so much. Okay, hang on. Go for NYX first. And this is the glitter goals. Alright, so this is glitter liquid lipstick. Wow. Alright. And this is also another glitter liquid lipstick in pink and orange. And what is this? Okay, hang on now. So this is Mashness. What is this? This is the eyeshadow. Okay, actually, okay, this is the palette. Okay, let's see inside. So this is a shade. We have brown, some matte, some metallic. Got reddish brown, pink, green, bronze. Yeah. Alright, so this is the eyeshadow palette. How about this one? This is so cute. What is this? Sprinkle Town. Okay, what box is this? Lily what? Lily Paw. Okay. Look, wow, this is the lip gloss. This is the coral shade, pink shade, and I guess this is the pigment. Wow, so nice. Nice. Last from the NYX, I guess. This is the also another lip gloss. Okay, but no shimmer. Alright. And from Garnier, thank you so much, Garnier. So this is the Miss Michela All Infused Cleansing Water. Okay, this is for your makeup removal. Wow, they have 3 types actually. So this is for the oily acne prone skin, the blue one, and then the pink one is for the sensitive skin. So they have 3 type of micellar water, cleansing water. So pink is for the sensitive skin, and the oily is for the acne prone skin, and what's this called, gold shade. The gold one is for all skin types. My type is combination skin, so I will go for this one for the acne prone skin. So this is my type of cleansing water. How about you guys? Alright, so that's all what I have in the parcel. The prizes for the top 30 NYX Fest Awards Malaysia 2019. Thank you so much to NYX, Garnier, and all the other sponsors like Grab Express, WeWork, and Beatrice Lui. Thank you so much, and thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for the next challenge, which is Jungle Team. The video will upload it on 31st July. Stay tuned. Bye.